Welcome to the SailPoint Workday integration demonstration. Many organizations are struggling with having to manually onboard, provision, and deprovision access as workers change roles and leave the organization. This can create significant challenges for an organization's productivity, security, and compliance. SailPoint's integration with Workday ensures the right people have access to the right applications and data at the right time. Today I'll be providing a demonstration of how by integrating SailPoint Identity Governance in Workday, organizations can automate and simplify employee onboarding and offboarding in minutes. Consider the case of Tony Hernandez, who's going to be joining the organization as an IT help desk specialist based out of London. In order for him to be effective, he needs to have access to all of his applications on day one. Now, if we go into the SailPoint platform, we'll see no record of Tony yet, nor will we see any records of access in any downstream applications. But through our Workday integration, we can now see Tony's identity record inside SailPoint. If we open it up, we can see that the details about who he is or where he's going to be working is all sourced out of his Workday employee record, the fact that he's an IT help desk specialist, and so on. We're also going to see that immediately we're able to provision him access to cloud applications such as Okta, as well as his corporate AD account, which is on premises. By going into the Okta record, we can see, in fact, he does have an Okta account available for him, and then we also can see that his corporate AD account has also been provisioned. In fact, we put him into the proper containers based on what we know about him, such as being in the London office, and we're able to assign him some help desk group memberships based on the fact that we already know that he's a help desk associate, which is triggered off of his job title, all leveraging a role-based access model to allow Tony to be effective from day one. Now, what if Tony changes jobs to an accounts payable accountant? Because this is what we call a mover in the identity lifecycle. You need to be able to make sure that that access that he had before is taken away, and the new access, which is tied to his business function within the accounts payable group, is reflected. In fact, if we go into the SailPoint platform now, we can see that his job title has been updated to reflect what's inside the Workday record to accounts payable accountant. We can also see that within his access that he had, which used to be help desk, is now reflecting his accounts payable analyst capabilities. And we will also see, if we go to the downstream applications, such as Okta, that now he has all of the accounting access he needs in order for him to do his new role inside the organization. Now, when Tony is terminated from the organization, we're going to see that his Workday records reflect his termination, and then all of the downstream access that he used to have has now been taken away. And you can see all of his accounts, including the SailPoint access, has been disabled. So, as you can see, by integrating SailPoint with Workday, you can ensure your users' access to all applications, systems, and data is appropriate and compliant. For more information, please visit SailPoint.com or contact us to schedule an in-person demonstration. Thank you.